Okay, number 12 might be a little bit tricky to figure out what it looks like, but here's a heads up. That e squared doesn't have a variable. It's just an e squared, and e is close to 3, so it's kind of like y equals 3 squared or y equals 9. It's just a horizontal line that goes through the y-axis at 9. This one just goes through the y-axis at e squared, okay? This one has a variable. So this is exponential growth. It goes like this, okay? But this is just a straight line at approximately 9 or whatever. It's the line y equals e squared, okay? That's your graph. And x equals 0, which is the y-axis. So this is the shaded region that you're rotating. Okay, so hopefully you can see it has space. So there's two r's. Big R squared minus little r squared. Okay, your bounds. Well, I need to find out where they intersect right here. When will this equal this? When x is 1. So we know we're going to integrate from 0 to 1. Big R squared goes through the shaded region. Little r squared, little r just touches the shaded region. Okay, so big R squared is e squared minus 0. Little r squared is e to the 2x minus 0. And that's the setup. Now you should also know how to integrate this totally by hand. So power to a power you multiply. So we get e to the 4th minus e to the 4x. Okay, now integrating. Integrating this is just a number. There's no x in there. So what do you get when you integrate, say, 5? Integral of 5 is 5x. That's what we're going to do there. We're just going to tack on an x. So it's e to the 4x. This is normal, e to the 4x divided by 4. Now, yes, you would be expected to do all of that on the AP exam without a calculator. Plugging in 1 and 0 is also a lot easier than you think. So now plug in the 1 and the 0 and be real careful with your parentheses.